Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my smart YouTube TallyPrime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao from Hyderabad. So one thing here, during the last nearly 20 days, I was not able to make any videos. I have not uploaded any videos because I already told you I will be out of station. Because of that, I made 1, 2, 3 videos, and after that I was not able to do videos. And from today onwards, you will get regular videos again. But for some time, my videos will be only with voice without my face. And after that, so all the videos with face, everything will be available. And one more thing here. See, in the last few latest videos, I announced that I am going to start offline as well as online classes from the 1st of January. Okay, because some unavoidable circumstances, I was not able to start the classes, and also in the New Year celebrations, then the Sankranti is nearing. Again, for Sankranti, there will be many holidays. People will be out of station like that. That is why what I decided is we will start our classes, online and offline classes, after completing the Sankranti. That is, after Sankranti, I will fix up a date and I will start the online and offline classes. For this, I made some videos also I uploaded about this, and that videos will come every day about that. And on the videos and the thumbnail, I gave my contact number also. So before the Sankranti, in the meantime, you can contact me and we can fix up the date and we can fix up the fees, everything, and we can start this one. So you contact me and register your name with me before the Pongal, that is before Sankranti, and after Sankranti, I am going to start the classes. Okay, now, so back to our topic. So today in our video, our topic which is going to discuss is godowns. So actually we have to know what is meant by godowns, how to make the godowns, and how to use the godowns option, how to use the godown options, and how to see the godowns summary or godowns report. Summary means summary report. How to see the godowns summary report in TallyPrime, and that's what I am going to tell you here. How to create godowns or locations in this TallyPrime. Some places it is called also location. So godown or location, both the same. So godown or location, both the same. So how to create the godowns or locations and how to view the godowns report. That's what we are going to learn. Okay. So first of all, we have to know about the godowns. So I told you what is meant by godowns and what is the necessity of godowns. Because see, when a business is a small business, in the office or in the shop, so we can allot a small room or some room, so to keep the material or to keep the inventory. So that is called the godown. So one godown by default is called location. Is that enough? So that will be enough and it will be carried on. Because this main location is by default, a main location godown is created in TallyPrime, because every business doing business means purchasing and selling goods. That means they have to maintain and they have to keep the inventory. Further, they have to keep a room or something. That is why for keeping the material, main location or godown is provided. By default, it is created. No other account is created under the what you call inventory reports. I mean inventory masters. But in the accounting masters, under the head ledgers, two accounts, cash account and profit and loss account, are already created by default in TallyPrime. But in this case, in the case of inventory masters, only one godown, main godown, or is called as main location, is created. And then we will know how to create these godowns, some more creations, create the godowns and how to use them, and that we will learn. So first of all, I will share the screen here. We will go to the TallyPrime first of all. So we have one account, I mean one company, electronic houses, with dealing with all the electronic items, electronic inventory, and we have a lot of entries in that. So we will go to that. Okay, now here, that is actually what is the necessity of many godowns. there is one godown by default created by, this TallyPrime. What are the necessity for many godowns? Means if it is a small business, I told you, in the office or in the shop, they can keep one room so they can place the goods or inventory in that room. It's enough. But if the business goes on increasing, these people have to buy and sell more and more goods. In such a case, they have to maintain lot of stock. That is, they have to maintain the inventory in large quantities. For that, they have to maintain the stock in different godowns called different locations. Sometimes at the same place in different godowns, or sometimes one godown in one place, another godown in another place. Like in different places, we will maintain this godowns. That's why in TallyPrime, this godowns option is given to make the material store in the godowns. That's why it's given. And one more thing is, that is why the separate accounts for each godown, all the godowns, separate accounts are to be maintained in TallyPrime. And another thing is, in this case, the another use is, so we can know in which godown or which location, which godown, when and what material and what is the quantity we have received, and in the same location, in which location, when and what material, which material, and which quantity of the material is going out, that means sold out, and what is the, in every godown, in all the godowns, and every godown, what is the material, that is our inventory, is left over or in the balance. So these all things we can know by maintaining the godowns in separate places, that is separate godowns. Okay, this is the use and necessity. That is why now we will know how to create godown. So see here, we'll go to in the masters, that is in the masters, we will go to create button, and in this create button, accounting masters are related to accounts, we know, groups and ledgers, everything. These godowns are related to inventory or stock only. That's why we'll go to inventory masters. So groups, category, items, everything we purchase, we know how to create and all these things. Now the last one is godown. How to create the godown. We are in the create button. So here given master creation, godown. So here if you go to this, here it is showing main location exists by default for the company, because every business, any company doing business means they will have to store stock and purchasing and selling. That is why for that purpose, one location is required, one godown is required in the shop itself or in the office itself. That is called the main location. It's called the main location or main godown. It is already by default, it is created. It is already existing. Now, if you want to change the name, you can change the name and you can create a new godown or location. It is asking already existing. Do you want to alter main location or create a new godown? So first of all, you will see, we will change the godown name. Okay. For that purpose, you have to click alter existing A. So if you click that, so main location is there. So this one we can change. So we can change and we can give the name as we like. This is called as main location. That change it, you can make it as godown 1. This one main location is godown 1 in the office or shop, godown 1, and in different places, godown 2, godown 3, like that. Or we can make it, name it as warehouse 1. This main location as warehouse 1, and all others 2, 3, warehouse 2, warehouse 3, like this. Or we can give the name like not like number 1 and 2. We can give the name after the place also. So along with the place, we can give the name. For example, our company is in Kukatpalli. So our office or company is in Kukatpalli. In Kukatpalli, in our office or in our shop, we have the godown. We are keeping the material. So this is called as godown 1. We can make it as our warehouse 1, or we can make it Kukatpalli godown. With the place also, we can mention. We can make it as Kukatpalli godown. We have another godown in Amirpet. We can make it as Amirpet in warehouse 2 or godown 2 or Amirpet godown. Or one more is Patancheru. So Patancheru godown or godown 3 or warehouse 3, like that. So we will take it as godown. Whatever name we want, we can give. We will take it as go down number 1. This main location we are giving as number 1, and we will make it as primary only. So number 1 is changed. That is the existing, by default, existing main location is changed, and it is called as, it is changed to godown number 1. Now again we will go to the creation of other godowns. See here, again it is showing the same alert because we are having only one. Just we changed the name. That's why now with the changed name it will show godown 1 exists already in by default. You want to change it or create a new one. Already it is changed. So next time, now we are going to create some other godowns. So now we will create new godown. See, we can click or create new. So create new. So the main location we made as godown 1. So we will make it as godown 2. Godown 2. And here under the godowns, it is 1 is showing. So we can make it as 1. Under 1 only 2 will be there. That is in the shop itself, there is 1 room, 1 godown. Beside that another godown. So 1 and 2 combinedly we can see, but it is better to keep separate account for each godown. That's why we will make it as primary only. Then we will create another one. See godown 3. Okay. See here also primary. So we created 3 godowns. So here, if you go and how to see the report, because here you can see all the godowns which you have created. See here. Display more reports, go to inventory report, and we are creating all the items, group, sum, and category, everything we know. Now the new one is godown. If you go to new one, see all the 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 is the main location in the shop or office. So that is the main location is changed as 1. Next another one is 2, 3. Totally there are 3. So now if you want to see the report, we will see later. Okay, we want to see the report. So if you want to see report for 1, we can select 1. We can report for 2, we can select 2. Report for 3, you can select 3. But if you want to see the report for all the godowns, you have to select the primary and click. So if you select primary and click, as I told you, to see the report of all the godowns, we have to click primary. Select primary. We selected primary, isn't it? But we are getting only godown 1. What about the godown 2 and 3? We created already, but it is not showing any information because this godown, the godown list or godown information, the report will show only if there is balance, if there is stock available or inventory available in the godown. Okay, so in 2 and 3 we just created, but how you got information in the godown 1? See the details, Alt F5 or Alt F1. So both are same. So here all the material shown in the godown. How? We have not allotted the godown. Okay, but because when you create the godown, already existing material, already existing inventory, it will automatically by default it will be allocated to the main location only, because this is main location. We changed it to godown 1. So all the material which you purchased, if you have not done anything, simply it will go to the main location only. Main location only. That main location is godown 1. So the total material is in main location. So the other 2 godowns, we don't have any material, we have not purchased or we have not stored any material, it is not showing. So to show the report of the other godowns also, we have to place the material in that also. For that, we will take up a transaction. So instead of closing this report, keeping as it is, we can go and create purchase and other transactions for the other godowns also. Then press escape and come back to this report without closing the report. Then after making entries in the reports, other godowns also, when you come back here, it will show the report of all the 3. So now we'll go to Alt G, that is go to function we use here. Here, create voucher. We are creating vouchers now because we have to purchase material for the other godowns also. So go to voucher. So in this case, we will take up a problem here. On 1st November, purchase from Ashok Traders as per bill number 265. Bill number is 265. The date is 1st November. Purchase from Ashok Traders. Purchase from Ashok Traders. For that we will go. So here purchases means here, see purchases F9. Click F9 and date is 1/11/22. So this is the date. Okay. Purchase date, purchase invoice, that is a purchase voucher F9, then date, then what is the bill number? 265. 265 by default the date will be taken, and then from where we purchase? From Ashok Traders. Ashok Traders we purchased. Ashok Traders we purchased. Suppose if this account is not available, is a creditor. If this account is not available here, what we do? By click Alt C and create the party account. That is the creditor account we have to create. It's already available. We'll take it and accept Control A, then accept Control A. Now, this is the purchases voucher, and the purchase ledger will be, we may give any name for the purchase ledger. So we are giving only purchases. Sometimes purchase 18%, purchase 12%, purchase 28%, like that. Or sometimes purchase raw material and purchase material, so and so, like that. So we can give different names. So that name will be given here. The name of the purchase ledger. Okay, here purchases. So given. Now, what is the material we purchase? Here, see, after giving the name of the material, we will go to the quantity, rate, amount, isn't it? But here it will be different. You see, here we purchased, what you purchased? 15 numbers, Sony 20 inches, 15 numbers. One each at 20,000 rupees, one material. Another one, LG TV 40 inches is also 15 numbers, 40,000 rupees each. Okay, so 15 and 15 we purchased. This is at 20,000 rupees each. This is at 40,000 each. Okay, now where you stored? So we purchased. Before that, if you just enter this, it will go to the main location, go down one, going location only. But where you, nothing is given, it is assumed that it is like it is stored in the company office or in the store office, in the shop. But here we have to see where it is stored here. Out of these 15 TVs, this is 15, 40 inches is 15 and 20 inches is 15. So because 15 TVs, 5 TVs means 5 20 inches and 5 40 inches are stored in all the 3 locations or godowns. See, in all the 3 godowns, in each one, we stored 5 TVs of each size, 20 inches 5 and 40 inches 5. So we have to take here. So here, Sony TV 20 inches. So here it is asking for godown, because where you stored this, where you allocated the material. See, item allocation here, stock item allocation. The stock item you purchased, it is allocated to which godown? That is stored where? That is why stock item allocation is a item allocation. Item allocation is stock item. Allocations for 20 TV. Gone. Where you stored? In each location, we stored 5 TVs, each 20,000. Here. Says click space bar, you will get the list of godowns. Anything you want to list, get the list. You have to click. What to do? We have to click the space bar. Okay. So here, godown 1. You take godown 1, stored 5, each 20,000 rupees. Then godown 2. Godown 2 also 5 numbers, each 20,000 is already, it is taken by default. It is taken by default. Now, godown number 3 also 5 numbers, 20,000 each. Totally 15 numbers. Total amount is 3 lakhs. So we stored. Now go to the second one. Second one is LG TV 40 inches. Suppose if it is not available, click Alt C and create the stock item. Then under group under the group LG TV 40 inches is the item. Group is LG TV, secondary group LG TV, and category will be TVs. Category TV 40 inches. TV is 20 inch, 30 inch, 40 inch. We created the categories. So category will be, then it will ask category. Category will be 40 inches. Simply TV 40 inches is the category. And then units, it will ask you, the unit will be numbers. Like that you have to create. It's already created now. Here we will go. And here also, see here, they were changed 15 numbers, 5 in each of the godowns. The rate is 40,000. So click, see here, space bar, godown 1, 5 numbers, each 40,000. Then go down to again 5 numbers, same 40,000. And go down number 3, again 5 numbers, same amount. So 15 numbers, total 6 lakhs. So we purchased. Okay. We purchased these items. Okay. Now, in the problem, there is one more. So we made some sales also, for example. On second, we sold. So on second, we sold to Balaji Traders. So we'll go to next one is sales. Sales means F8. See here, sales means F8. Click F8, and here this is the invoice number. We need not give. In the case of purchases, supplier, each supplier is different. So the supplier invoice will be entered. Here sales is from our side. Our serial number will be same serial. That is why this is 8. Next time sales, it will be 9, like that. So the separate invoice number is not there. The sales is the invoice number. And whom we purchased, we sold to Balaji Traders. Same here also is a debtor. So if it is not available, Alt C, we have to create the debtors account. So here accept and accept. And then sales will be under sales. Okay, sales. Then what you sold here? Sony TV 20 inches, 5 numbers. So Sony TV 20 inches, we sold 5 numbers. But from which godown? All the 3 godowns we have Sony 20 inches. Which godown we sold? Here you see 5 numbers, 25 each is sent from our main location, which is godown number 1. Main location is godown number. From godown number 1 only we sold. So here, if you go here, say just 20 inches, it will ask you the godown. So godown number 1 we sold already. We have here, it will show the godown and also the balance of the inventory also. So out of the 16, we sold 5 at the rate of 25,000 each. 25,000 each. So 1. And we sold only 1 inventory, one item. So if there is another item, that will be entered here or here. That will be entered here. That is okay. Okay. Now, completely new reference and sale. So we made a purchase and we made a sale. So now we need to go out because by using the go to function from the Godowns report, we came here, then escape. So the same, that is not closed. That is still available. That report is not closed. The work is there. From there, we came to this place, created the vouchers, purchase and sales voucher, and came back to this old report. Without closing the report, we went to that report. That is, use the go to function. This is the benefit. Otherwise, we have to go to Gateway of Tally. Again, we have to come to the reports and all these things. Say here, you see, go down 1. So go down 2 and go down 3 also. They are showing the reports because for go down 2, we purchased material, 2 stock items we purchased 5 each, and for go down 3 also we stored 2 stock items 5 each 10. We are not sold. When you are selling, when you sold, we sold from go down 1 only. We sold from go down 1 only. That is why it is not showing here in 2 and 3. So this TV is here only, it is sold. Okay. Right. Next. Now, this is the thing about this one. Now, how to see the reports? How to see the reports of the detailed reports? How to see here? See here. Go to main report. Display more reports. Go to inventory books. Then go to godowns. So here, all the 3 are there. You can see 1. If you want 1, you can see 1. It will show. If you want to see 2, it will show. If you want to see, it will show. If you want to see all, select primary, all the 3 godowns are shown. And if you click, if you want to details, Alt F5 or F1, Alt F5, so the details are shown. Godown 1, godown 2, godown 3. But godown 1, 2, and 3, all the main groups are only shown. And the main groups are only shown, and only closing balances are shown. All the details, and under this, what are the subgroups, and then stock items, all these details are not shown, and also only closing balances are shown. Okay, let it be. We want to see all these in detail. In that case, go to F12, come down here. See, expand all levels in detailed format. All levels means keep the units, go down aside. So all levels means main group, subgroup, stock item. These are all the levels. One first level, second level. In all the levels, give the detailed report in detailed format. Make it yes. Then accept this. You see here. See in Godown 1, air conditioners, and then computers, laptops, TVs, washing machines. In all they are available. So on air conditioners, what are the different companies? Godrej, Panasonic. And under Godrej, what are the stock items? Under Panasonic, and like this, all the details are given. Against them, what are all the closing balances given? Okay. If you want to see more detailed report, this is only closing balance. But what is the opening balance? What is the inwards that is purchased? What are the outward that is sold? And what is the balance? If you want to see the total report, in that case, go to this one. Here we stick only here. Show the closing balance is yes. That is why it is showing only closing balance. But now, if you want to see, opening balance, inward, outward, everything, come down here, see the opening balance, yes. Goods inwards, yes. Goods outwards, yes. Then stock is there and detailed report everything. So now we see here. In some cases, we have taken the opening balances. So opening balances, quantity, rate, value, that everything is obvious. Quantity, rate, value, everything. That is why it is showing all the columns. And this is the opening balance. For this Dell computers, there is no opening balance. Panasonic 1.5, there is no opening balance is there. Computers, all our opening balance are there. Sorry. And for some, so these things are purchased now, so there are no opening balances. And for all the others, we have given the opening balances. Okay. Now here, these are the opening balances. These are the inwards we purchased. Purchases made. So all the purchases made here, but here no purchases made. And here also these are purchased, and here also some items, some stock items, no purchase, like that. All the inwards, and then outwards, all the sales. So after all the sales we made, here in this godowns we purchased but not sold. Sales are not made. That's why there is no outward. And after that, what is the closing balance? Already we see the closing balances. Now it is showing again here also. So like this, we can see the detailed report of the inventories in the godowns. Godown wise. See here. First of all, godown 1, then see godown 2, then godown 3, like this. Whatever number of godowns you have, all the godowns reports you can see. This is about this one. And one thing I told you in the beginning, sometimes in the tally, sometimes it will show as location. I will tell you one thing. See here, sometimes this one show this, what you call this tally, it will show sometimes instead of godowns, it will show location. Just you will see here, we'll go to create button or alter. You can go and see here in the inventory masters. See, previously it showed godown. Now it is showing location. Either in the alteration master, in the creation also. See here, go to creation. It is showing as location. And also see more reports. If you go inventory books, it is showing locations. So it is showing only locations because this international terminology, location is international terminology. In India, we call it as godown. But in the international terminology, it is locations. That is, it is showing location. That's why what we do is now to change this location, what we do is to make it godown. It will not alter. We have to make it another setting. Go to F1 help. And go to settings section. In this case, you come to country because this is Indian. Godown is Indian. That location is international. So the change company. So country. Go to country here. See, first one is India and the second one is accounting terminology. It is international. Just click it. Just enter. It will change. No, we did not type anything. Just enter. It will change. See, enter. Enter. India SAR. So India has come. Then save this page. Save this page. Now see here. Just come to go down. So the location is changed. Come to go down. In the alteration page also, it is go down. In the display more reports, inventory books, also it is go down. So previously it showed location. That is, location is international terminology and go down is Indian terminology. We made it Indian. So it is showing go down. If it is already showing Indian, it will show go down only. If it is showing international terminology in that, it will show location. Then go to the help button, country, and then international terminology, change it to India or SARC. Then it will be go down. Okay. So this is about the go downs. This is about the go downs. Now, you please, our routine thing, that is, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and you select all. You will get notifications for all the videos which I make and which I upload. Okay. And share my channel with all the people, who require, all your friends, as well as all the people who require this or who want to learn the TallyPrime or already working accountants. If they want to learn this TallyPrime, you share with them. And while watching the videos, please watch every video till the end, and at the end, you like the video and you post your idea about the video in the comment section of this one. Okay. And then you follow the videos in the same order in which I am uploading. First date, second date, third date, fourth date, like that. I am in a systematic way I am uploading. You also follow them in the same way. You will get expert knowledge and you will become an expert accountant. I want all of you to become experts in the field of accounting, and we will meet in the next location, next video. That is, next video will deal with godowns only. So we have many godowns. So in one godown, stock is very less. In one godown, stock is very high. In such a case, from one godown to another godown, we can transfer the material. How to make the transfers of the material or stock or inventory from one godown to another godown, inter-godown transfers. That we will take up in the next video. Until then, bye. And I close this session. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Good night.